Hello budding artists and creative minds. Welcome to my channel Watching You. Today, I'll be drawing and discussing the character Disgust from the movie Inside Out. Disgust, as her name suggests, is the part of Riley that feels yucky and grossed out by things she doesn't like. She watches over Riley carefully and is very picky about the people and situations. Riley is around to make sure she isn't in trouble. Disgust always tries to keep Riley safe from anything bad, whether it's bad food or bad company. She really cares about how she looks and what Riley looks like too. She loves fashion and keeps up with the latest trends. Disgust is very sure of herself and her choices, but sometimes she hides a softer side. She can be sarcastic, sensitive, and easily upset. When something really bothers her, she might leave the room and even feel sick. And by the way, she hates broccoli more than anything else. Disgust is a green-skinned female emotion with an appearance inspired by broccoli. She has a slender yet curvaceous, petite build, similar in height to Sadness. Her shoulder-length hair is a sparkling forest green, complementing her emerald eyes, which are adorned with 4 long green eyelashes. She wears makeup that includes faint pink eyeshadow and blush, along with orchid lipstick. In the sequel, her eyeshadow changes to a rich forest green. Disgust's outfit features a sparkling orchid-colored tulle scarf around her neck and a sleeveless, parakeet green dress with a sky blue and pale green floral pattern. She pairs this with forest green latex capri leggings, a mint green belt with a darker trim and a buckle shaped like the letter D, and orchid ballet flats. In the sequel, Disgust's sleepwear is charmingly different. She dons a dark blue bonnet and a silk purple nightgown with white scalloped trim on the puffed sleeves and hem, complete with a loose white bow at the collar. Her matching shoes completes the cozy look. Disgust appears as an animatronic in the Inside Out pre-parade at Disney's California Adventure. Her first live appearance was in the Disney on Ice show Follow Your Heart, which premiered on September 2, 2016. Pete Docter revealed that Disgust's design is inspired by broccoli, a food that she, Riley, and the other emotions all dislike, ironically, something that Docter himself enjoys. Early concept art and initial clips from the 2013 D23 Expo show that Disgust was originally designed with a purple dress, longer hair, and without lipstick or long eyelashes. Interestingly, while Disgust wears a green dress in the final film, Riley's mom's Disgust retains the original purple dress. Initially, Disgust was meant to have a less attractive appearance to emphasize the emotion of being repulsed. This concept was later revised to show that Disgust embodies feelings of distaste rather than being unpleasant herself. Additionally, early drafts included a male version of Disgust, but this idea was changed to the female character we see today. In Inside Out, Disgust is the least affected by anger's outbursts when he takes control of Riley, likely because she recognizes the situation is beyond prevention. This is evident when Fear's attempts to discipline anger are met with violent retaliation rather than simple disregard. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and let me know which character to draw next. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.